Hello there, Sev here from Three Counties Motorhomes, and welcome to this video guide on the Sargent EC100 control panel that you see here. This particular model is Auto Trail branded. In this video guide, I'm going to go through the basic functionality of what these buttons do and the information it conveys. Of course, for anything more in depth, I strongly recommend you read your vehicle's instruction manuals. But otherwise, let's get into it. So first things first, this does communicate with a Sargent power supply unit, and of course we've done video guides on those as well, so refer to the applicable video guide for your Sargent power supply unit. This video of course just going to concentrate on the control panel itself. To turn the power on though, we press the power button just here. You should get a beep and things will come on. Now in this instance we've got a light directly above here, so that's going to come on, and we can obviously tell straight away that things have powered up. We should have an illuminated light just here, as you can see. We have a button here for turning on the power to the water pump. We have a button here for auxiliary. This typically turns on things like outside awning lights and such. We have an LED segmented display for showing us the voltage level of our selected battery. We have down here buttons for checking the voltage of our selected battery or changing the selected battery. We then have buttons here for the fresh and waste tanks. Now, on the fresh tank here, if I press the button, we're going to see the water level. And as you can see, this vehicle is drained down currently, so it's showing 0, which is why, I've pressed the wrong button there, which is why we have a red light here next to the button. That's telling us that there's something wrong with the fresh tank, and that's of course that it is empty. With sufficient water in here, that light should go out. That's just basically an alarm to tell you there's a low level. The waste tank, if I press that button, we should be able to see the waste tank level. And again, the vehicle's drained, so there's nothing in there. We don't get a warning light here though, because of course empty is great for the waste tank. This is opposite. When this tank gets full, that's when the warning light for your waste tank will come on next to that there. Now, if I press the leisure battery button here, you can see the LED segmented display responds by showing us the current battery voltage. Okay, the selected battery is indicated with the illuminated LED. If I press the vehicle battery button here, you can see it switch over to the vehicle battery and we can see the voltage just there. Now, this also, if set up correctly, should also change the selected battery that the vehicle is going to drain from and also charge. So now I've selected the vehicle battery, not only is the motorhome that we're in now currently now drawing from the vehicle battery, but it is also charging it because at the moment we are plugged into mains electricity. If you are not plugged into mains electricity, then I strongly recommend you only press this button long enough for you to be able to interrogate the voltage and then immediately switch back to the leisure battery, because otherwise you're going to power your motorhome via the vehicle battery and drain it down. But when plugged into mains electric, you can use this to switch between the two batteries and keep both batteries nicely topped up according to the vehicle's correct maintenance schedule using the onboard mains powered battery charger, if of course you do have one fitted to your vehicle. When you go driving, after a couple of seconds after engine start, it should turn the control panel off completely and nothing will be displayed. It is possible, certainly on this vehicle at least, to turn the control panel back on again whilst the engine is running, but it is designed to be powered off whilst you are driving, just so you are aware. What you're hearing there, that beeping noise, that is an alarm. That's what it sounds like when there is something to pay attention to. And in this instance, it's because we have a low fresh water tank, which I can then interrogate the alarm, obviously as shown before, by pressing the button and seeing that we do have a low level. But that was just me showing you the alarm just there. And that about wraps up the video. That hopefully gives you enough of an insight into how to use the Sargent EC100 control panel. If you do have any further questions, then as I said earlier in the video, I do recommend you read your instruction manuals, but hopefully this has given you enough information to use the basic functions and get up and running as a sort of quick start guide. And thank you very much for watching. I'm Sev, and take care.